Gotta be careful. Say bye-bye, Larry.
Bye, Larry.
There he goes. Can you say bye-bye, Larry?
Hello, Larry. Good. Where'd he go?
Yeah, where's he going? Those are his feet. And those are your feet. Very nice.
Toes.
And those are your toes.
Need to do.
You need to clean your toes?
Toes.
And look, Larry has a tail. Can you see Larry's tail? See that? That's a tail.
Tail.
Tail. Yeah, remember that's the Dougie's water. Oh, there goes Larry. Look, he's getting fast.
Fast.
He's fast. Look at him go.
Larry.
Say, wait, Larry.
No.
You better catch him. He's fast. That is Larry. Say, well, hello, Larry. No, that's not Trevor. It's Larry. Oh, look at his long neck. Can you see his long neck?
Look.
That is a neck.
Calf.
Yeah, a giraffe has a long neck. That's right. Say, okay.